We designed this class such that someone could walk in the door having never seen or touched a drone before. And what they're going to learn is the knowledge-based information that they need to pass the FAA exam, learn the practical knowledge needed to actually take off and fly a drone safely in the U.S. airspace system.
I've had so much joy in this class. I think this has been my favorite college course I've ever taken. Really cool, just having that hands-on work and hands-on experience took me to a whole new perspective on aviation.
You'll see first responders using them, law enforcement, real estate. Uses for drones are endless.
With the drones, we can see ahead of where the officer is going, especially in the middle of the night. It's an enhancement to officer safety. We can deploy them in less than 40 seconds, and we have it instantaneously right there.
I think it's been really great taking this class. It adds so much knowledge and experience that a lot of people wouldn't have if they didn't take the course.